How to get a Mercury insurance card. A Mercury insurance card is essential for providing coverage when driving, registering a vehicle, or handling claims. If you need to obtain a new or replacement card, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Log into your Mercury insurance account. Visit the Mercury insurance website and log in using your registered email and password. If you don't have an account, you may need to create one. Step 2. Access your policy documents. Once logged in, navigate to the Policy section, where you will find your insurance details. Look for an option labeled ID cards or proof of insurance. Step 3. Download or print the insurance card. Most policies allow you to download a digital version of your insurance card in PDF format. You can print a hard copy or save it on your mobile device for easy access. Step 4. Request a physical copy if needed. If you prefer a mailed copy, contact Mercury Insurance Customer Service and request a replacement ID card. They will verify your policy details and send one to your registered address. Step 5. Use the Mercury Insurance app. For added convenience, download the Mercury Insurance mobile app. The app provides instant access to your digital ID card, which is accepted in most states as proof of insurance. Having a Mercury insurance card readily available ensures you comply with state laws and simplifies claims or roadside assistance requests. Click on the link in the description below to find out if you're paying too much for insurance. Down.